So this is one of the things I got from Target. I should have on a black bra, but I don't. Because I'm gonna zip my jacket back up. But this is one of the things I got from Target, right? It's a V-neck crop top, and it was only $5, right? I wanted it specifically to wear underneath this, right? So I wasn't so concerned that it's a crop top. Um, it's fine, right? So yesterday I was watching this older sister, um, and she was talking about if you're over 40 and you want to dress classy, one of the things that you should not wear is crop tops. I had to fix my outfit. I was just giving a little bit too much camel toe. That's not the look I was going for. Um, so yeah, one of the things she said that a classy woman over 40, or just any woman who does wants to dress more classy, should not wear is a crop top, right? And also one of the things she said was was sheer outfits. In the meantime, she has bigger boobs, and she has on a black sheer top. And I'm sitting there looking at her like, lady, do you know we can see your cleavage through that top? That was classic. But anyway, yeah, it was $5 at Target, and again, I got it to wear underneath this. So, but I will wear it, with some high waist pants, um, and I'll be just fine with it. But this completes the look. I wanted it V-neck, and again, it was only $5, and I wanted it kind of thicker. I have the crew neck one, so I wanted the V-neck one too. Um, They had a couple white tank tops. Again, the purpose is to wear more white. They had a couple white tank tops, but they weren't in stock. Um, I could buy like a pack of maybe Hanes t-shirts, but I don't know about that. Excuse me, because those are kind of thinner and really not appropriate to wear as a top. They're more for undergarments, right? So we'll see if I can find some thicker t-shirts. Um, that may become in a pack, but I doubt it very seriously because, like I said, usually you can see through them. And you can see through this. You can see my red bra, but um, again, it's fine. And I'm good with the fit, as the young folks say these days, the fit. But that completes my look for today. All right, I'll be back.